AI is taking over the world. Okay, maybe not in a sci-fi robot uprising way, but in a making life so much easier kind of way. As we head into 2025, the AI landscape is getting even hotter than ever. How hot, you may ask? Stick around to find out. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes!
Hit it! In today's lineup, we're looking into the top 5 AI tools you absolutely need to know about for 2025. These are not just your run-of-the-mill apps. They're the next level tools for the bosses of tomorrow, from crafting perfect social media posts to predicting market trends and even managing your day-to-day chaos. These tools are like your digital dream team. The future is here and it's powered by some serious smart AI. So grab a coffee or your favorite productivity drink. I'm a hot chocolate person myself. And let's explore how these AI superstars are about to make 2025 your most efficient, creative, and successful year yet. Starting with number 1, Wondershare Verbo is like your personal video studio but supersized. Perfect for hustlers who need pro-level content without the hassle. It's ridiculously easy to use with lifelike AI avatars ready to narrate your scripts in diverse voices and tones. Perfect if you're camera shy or short on time. Packed with changeable backgrounds and editing features, Verbo makes it effortless to create polished, unique videos for your side hustles, tutorials, or any projects. The best part, the avatars are so realistic, your audience won't even know it's AI. It's like having a virtual assistant dedicated to leveling up your content game. Verbo just upgraded their talking photo feature. It can support richer upper body movement too. You can download it and try it on your PC or mobile. I'm about to try it out myself right now. Let's get it. Okay, let's check out one of their new features, Talking Photo. All right, so I'm going to upload my photo. This sounds really exciting. It's going to be a picture of me, an AI generated avatar of myself talking. They're actually going to have a picture of me talking. So I'm uploading the picture now. This is on my phone. You could do this on your phone, your cell phone, or your PC. So you have options, right? This is awesome. Okay, it's uploading. Let's see this talking photo. They have the Pro and the Standard. I'm going with the Pro. All right. You have all this upper body movement with the Pro. And let's see. All right. I'm going to type in some words. You could type in anything and it'll say, this makes a great postcard if you want a postcard and be speaking to someone. How about a holiday card? You can email to someone or send to someone. Hello, my name is Cece. I'm from Inside Your Hustle and I'm using Verbo. I love it. Let's check this out. They are great. All right. It's generating really quickly.
Hello, my name is Cece. I'm from Inside Your Hustle, and I like using Verbo. They are great.
Wow! Okay, so there you go. You could do this right from your phone. This is awesome. I could send these out. Now, I can make it very festive. And this could be like a Christmas card. I could say like happy holidays to friends and family and send them out. This is fabulous. Or a postcard. Let's say you send a postcard from somewhere from traveling and you can make this a whole postcard. This is, oh my, this is the future. I love this AI feature. All right, Verbo. Now I'm going to do the link, the URL to video. So I'm going to copy a link from Amazon. I love this scarf. And I'm going to put it in and see how they make an awesome video for me. And this is how you can do your Shopify videos. Now I'm going to export it. And let's see how the finished product looks. It's really, really quick. All right, let's check it out.
Welcome to the cozy comfort of winter, where style meets warmth. Our stunning plaid scarf wraps you in a hug you won't want to take off. Imagine those chilly days transformed into sunny warmth as you slip on this luxurious scarf, draping yourself in its soft embrace, perfect for snuggling. Every glance at this multifaceted scarf reveals its chic elegance, a blend of color and comfort that stands out whether you're at a cozy cafe or out and about. This beautiful plaid scarf transcends mere fashion.
You see that
becoming your go-to
avatar?
accessory,
She looks
effortlessly
real.
elevating any
Her
outfit
mouth
while
is
keeping you
moving.
comfortably warm all winter long.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Excellent job. Number 2, Kyra. This can be your AI-powered creative sidekick, turning your ideas into jaw-dropping videos with ease. Perfect for artists, musicians, and content creators. Kyra lets you craft stunning visuals by simply typing a description or uploading images. With animation styles like Flipbook for dynamic effects or motion for smooth transitions, plus customizable camera moves and aspect ratios for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, the possibilities are endless. It's affordable, versatile, and even lets you add your own music to videos up to 8 minutes long, trusted by stars like Grimes, Kid Cudi, and Linkin Park. Kyra makes pro-quality video magic accessible to everyone. Animate, transform, and bring your creativity vision to life. Okay, so I'm on a Super Studio canvas. All right, so we're on Kaiber right now. We're gonna check out. This is great for content creators. We're gonna make a little short clip, a little short video. We're gonna go to video flows. All right, I'm gonna check out runaway video. Look all the options. Click on that. All right, we're gonna type in a subject, young lady dancing in the wind. All right, 5 seconds long. We're gonna start the keyframe. I'm gonna upload a picture of myself. This is great if you do make content for money. Okay, you're a creator. And I'm going to drop in my image of myself. And you can start the keyframe with one picture, end it with a different picture, and have an awesome result. So let's check this out and see what it can do for me. All right. And I press the 25 little smiley face, use up 25 credits, and let's see what it'll generate for me. This is a cute little video, real quick. All right, so let's see. All right. It is loading. Okay. This is fun. This is going to be exciting. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Did you like that? Oh my goodness, that was crazy. I loved it. Oh my goodness. Number 3, Canva Magic Studio. Canva's Magic Studio is your AI-powered design wizard, making creativity effortless for everyone. With tools like Magic Design, you can turn a simple text prompt or image into stunning templates for social media, invites, or presentations. Magic Edits let you brush over and tweak photos like a pro, while Magic Media transforms text into eye-catching images and videos. Need to repurpose content? Magic Switch can flip a presentation into a blog post or translate designs into different languages with ease. Add some pizzazz with Magic Animate and Magic Morph to bring static designs to life. Whether you're a Canva Pro or free user, Magic Studio is your ultimate shortcut to professional quality designs in no time. All right, so now we're on Canva Magic Studios. Let's check out the AI tools on Magic Studio. All right, so we're gonna visualize your ideas with Magic Studio. I love it. Okay, let's go to Dream Lab. We're gonna try Dream Lab. See what we can dream up. Okay, so I have to prompt it. I love the visuals. Okay, I'm gonna add an image. This will be like for a style reference, so it might not be exactly me, what they might create, but it will have a reference. So I uploaded my image, and I'm gonna type in woman in a garden, okay? And let's see what type of image it comes with. Okay, so now there is generating some images. Wow, okay, I love the style reference. This is what it picked up from me. Fabulous. All right. Oh, wow. And look, she's in a garden. Look at the flowers. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So if you like want to make fun, oh my, that's beautiful. So you want to post content on your social media page? That's what you do. Number 4, Claude AI. This can be your all-in-one conversational assistant, ready to tackle anything from writing emails and summarizing documents to debugging code and explaining complex topics. Perfect for students, developers, and professionals alike. It offers tailored, user-friendly support for your personal and work projects. What sets Claude AI apart is its commitment to safety and ethics through constitutional AI, ensuring its responses are helpful, respectful, and aligned with human values. Accessible on web and mobile with flexible pricing levels, Claude AI is a reliable, ever-evolving tool designed to simplify tasks and enhance your experience while keeping trust and ethics at the forefront. Number 5, Tempol AI. Tempol is your AI-powered music genie, turning text, photos, or videos into custom, royalty-free soundtracks that perfectly match your projects. Whether you're a content creator, a filmmaker, or just spicing up your creations, Tempol makes it a breeze. Upload a video and its AI crafts a tailor-made soundtrack. Lyrics and vocals included if you want. It syncs flawlessly with your visuals. Create songs or instruments up to 3.5 minutes or fun 30-second music videos from photos, all in user-friendly formats like MP4, MOV, or WAV, with free and premium plans for high-quality, watermarks-free tracks. Tempol takes the hassle out of music production and adds a personalized touch to your creative projects. Okay, so welcome to Tempol. Sound your vision. All right, I'm going to put in some prompts, happy energy, hustler music, and I'm looking for a song for intro for my YouTube channel. So let's check out some different songs. Morning Hustle.
Waking up to the morning light, chasing dreams with all my might. Every step feels so right. In this hustle, I find my side.
Wake in the early, chasing dreams, life's a hustle. Or so it seems, grinding hard, no time to rest. Giving my all, always my best. City lights and endless nights. Focus, vision, reach every step a beat. In my chest, living with no regrets. Edge high, never slow it down. In this game, I wear the crown.
I wanted vocals added on. You could do it with or without vocals. So that was amazing. Tempol is amazing. That's a great tool to have if you're a content creator, you need copy-free music. This is definitely another AI tool for 2025. Wow. Step your content creation game up with these tools, including Wondershare Verbo. Create professional, engaging content easily. Click down below to start your journey with Verbo today. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try these AI-powered tools that I spoke about today. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.